Good morning to all my dear kids. Hope you all are doing well. Myself, Aparna Jain, and as you know, I am your science teacher. Today we are going to do remaining part of chapter number 3, that is from tasting to digesting. Okay, before proceeding further, let's revise what we have done in previous session. The first topic that we did was tasting. So, can you tell me through which part of our body we can taste? Yes, it is tongue. Tongue plays important role in digestion. It is a sense organ that helps to taste. The tiny bumps present on the tongue helps in getting taste of food. There are 4 types of taste buds present on our tongue: bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. We also learnt about smell helps in getting complete taste of food. We discussed that when our nose is blocked, we cannot get complete taste of food. The second topic we covered was process of digestion. Do you remember the story I told you about nanomites? Yes, let's see what report they presented. The process of digestion starts from our mouth. It has saliva which make food soft and easy to digest. With the help of food pipe, it reaches to stomach. It has many digestive juices and churns the food. From stomach, our food reaches to small intestine. It absorbs all the nutrients from the food. And at last, it reaches to large intestine. It absorbs all the water from the food. It also helps in removing waste from the body. So, now let's proceed further and start with the new things. First thing that we have to cover is what changes we find in our body when we are hungry. So, when you are hungry, what changes do you find in your body? Can you tell me? Okay, so you feel headache. Then you also get angry whenever someone asks you and you are feeling very hungry. If mom asks you small question, you start arguing with her, or you start fighting with her, with your siblings. You get angry very soon. You become short tempered. You feel tired. You are not able to do your routine activities. You ask mom, I want food first, then only I will able to do my work. Small babies also start crying. They cannot put their words in front of you, but they start crying and tell you that they are feeling hungry. Okay, next topic that we are going to cover is glucose. Now, before that, I want you to see this video. Watch carefully.
ग्लूकॉन-डी में है विटामिन सी के गुण और ग्लूकोज की एनर्जी, जो साधारण ड्रिंक के मुकाबले तुरंत एनर्जी लौटाए।
बस तेरे बसों से बस चली जाएगी। चल भाग।
थक कर रुकने वालों के लिए नहीं, हर दिन जीत पाने वालों के लिए। ग्लूकॉन-डी, जीत का दम हर दिन।
Okay, so I'm not promoting any glucose ad here. I just want to say that glucose is given when you feel weak and dizzy. As you can see in the video also, when both the kids were feeling tired, when they were feeling weak, so they drank glucose. It provides you instant energy. Even sugar and salt solution can be given in place of glucose. You even need to glucose when you have upset stomach or vomiting, because at that time your body loses lots of water. Even in hospitals also, it is given to the patient to give them energy immediately. Okay, now our next topic that we have to cover is the discovery of process of digestion. You can see two figures in front of you. Do you know these two persons were responsible for the discovery of process of digestion? We must thank them that they discovered the process of digestion and we are able to learn it now. On right hand in black dress, it is Dr. Beaumont, and on left hand it is Soldier Martin. Let's see the process, how process of digestion was discovered. Discovery of process of digestion has a very strange story. I use the word strange here because it was not planned. It was not pre-planned that we need to discover. It was merely, you can say, a coincidence. In 1882, a soldier Martin was seriously hurt by a gunshot. Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Dr. Beaumont was successful in treating all his wounds except a big hole in stomach. Dr. Beaumont felt like he found a treasure. Can you tell me why he thought so? Because now he can peek in the stomach of Soldier Martin. He can calculate, he can observe what is happening in his stomach. Okay, next, at that time, scientists did not know how food is digested. He took some liquid out of stomach and kept it in glass along with food items. So, let's see what he found. He found that our stomach has many digestive juices that helps in digestion of food. Second thing, he found that our food digests faster in stomach than outside. He also concluded juices are acidic in nature. Next important inference means conclusion or result, was food do not digest properly when we are sad. And you know what, whenever we are eating food, your mom asks you always to be happy so that digestion take place properly. Dr. Beaumont became very famous due to his discovery. Do you know why he became famous? Okay, I'll give you one example. When ma'am asks you something in the class and you are able to answer it at the first go, or you are able to answer it for the first time, या फिर आपको मैम बताते हैं और आप सबसे पहले आंसर दे देते हैं, तो you become very happy, you become very famous in among your classmates that you gave the answer of this question. And if anyone is facing any problem, what he or she do, he comes to you that please explain me. Why? Because you was the first person to solve that question. Similarly, Dr. Beaumont was the first person who discovered the process of digestion and became famous. Now, next topic is junk food. Okay, we always hear the word junk food, but can you tell me what is junk food? Generally, we cover pre-prepared or packed food in junk food. Okay. Next is, what if we eat junk food? If we eat junk food too much, then we become lazy. We become fat and flabby. We look older than our age. If we are at age of 5, we might look by 7 or maybe 10. Okay. What if we don't have to eat junk food? Then what we should eat? We should eat home cooked healthy food like dal, rice, vegetables and roti. And it is very tasty. I always eat junk food. I always eat home cooked food and avoid junk food. It is not like that we should not eat junk food at all. It is just we should eat in limited quantity. Okay. Okay, next thing that we have to study is what happens when we don't get enough food. We feel tired, we are not able to do our daily routine activities, our legs and arms become thin, we have pot like belly, that means our stomach look like a balloon. How does a balloon look? It is thin from the upper part and fat from the lower part. ठीक है? If and it has only air in it. Similarly, our stomach also look like that. Now we are going to do one case study that is given in your book of a girl named Gomti who work in the field of rich farmer in Kalahandi district. Can you tell me where Kalahandi district is? It is in Orissa. And Orissa, where Orissa is? Orissa is in India. In map also you can see the pink state is Orissa. There are many pink states, but a pink state near water on the right side is Orissa. Okay, she was paid very little for her work. She could not buy enough rice for her father, for her family. Her children were very weak and always sick. Few years ago, her husband died due to hunger. Many people die due to hunger at many places. Even when godown gets spoiled with food, it is available, food items are available in godown, but it do not reach to the people who need it. So we should not waste food and give it to someone who actually need it. Okay. So our today's last topic is good eating habits. There are certain habits which we must follow while eating food. Wash your hands before and after eating. We should pray before eating. In school you do prayer because your teacher asks so, but at home you should do it. Okay. Eat green vegetables and fruits. You must eat a fruit daily. It is also well said that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Drink plenty of water. You know our body is 70% made up of water. We need water not only for digestion of food but also for breathing. Yes, while breathing we consume water. So we should always drink plenty, at least 8 to 10 glasses water daily. If you eat packed food, check the label first. You have to check whether it is not expired, or you must check the manufacturing date or what nutrition value it is having, etc. And avoid eating junk food. Certain good habits you can see in the picture also. For example, eat healthy food, avoid junk food, drink milk every day. Yes, it is very important. We should drink milk every day. Avoid fizzy drinks like cold drinks or too much excesses of coffee, etc. Eat in small portion, don't overeat. If you should eat that much only you feel hungry. Eat with clean hands. Dirty hands carry germs. Okay, now I hope this chapter is clear to you, and if you face any query you can contact me. Thank you.